I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you some test problems from Unit 2, Equivalent Algebraic Expressions MCR 3U. The question here is, determine two non-equivalent polynomials f of x and g of x such that f0 equals to g of 0 and f of 3 is equal to g of 3. So let me first illustrate what I'm trying to come to, right? So what I will do is I'll sketch graph of two polynomials f of x and g of x and then find their equations, right? Now remember, these are non-equivalent polynomials. That means they are different polynomials, right? So f of x, let us consider as a parabola. Since we want the value at 0 for two functions to be same, and at 3 also their value should be same. So we'll consider g of x as another polynomial which has point of intersection with the given f of x, the parabola, at 2 points. One when x value is 0, the other one when x value is 3. So let us consider a line going through these 2 points. So let me draw a line here going through the 2 points. One is going through the origin and the other one, wherever it intersects, I'll consider that to be the point where x is 3. So this is 3 for x, right? So this is x-axis for me, and that is the y-axis. Now what is f of 3? F of 3 is this value, correct? And we know f of 3 is same as g of 3, correct? So both same values. So that is how we should be in a position to get the two polynomials. So this is the second function, g of x, and the first function is f of x. You can clearly see that these are non-equivalent polynomials, right? They are very different. To make things very simple, I'll consider f of x as equal to x squared. So it's a polynomial, right? Where, what is f of 0? F of 0 is 0. And f of 3 is how much? Is 3 squared, which is 9. So this value is 9 for us. Now the question remains, how to find g of x? So for g of x, we know at least 2 points. One point is the origin, right? The other point is 3, 9, right? So g of x is a line. We can say this equation can be mx plus b, which goes through 2 points. One is 0, 0, and the other one is 3, 9, right? 3, 9. Now 0, 0 means y-intercept. That means b equals to 0. And then what is the slope? Let's find it out. What is m? So m is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that gives us 9 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 0, which is 3. So we know m is 3, b is 0. Therefore, we can write that g of x is equals to 3x. So these are the two functions, right? Now we can check what is g of 0 equals to. It is 0, and g of 3 is 3 times 3, which is 9. So it works for us. That is true. So we have our answer here, and the answer is the two functions can be f of x equals to x squared and g of x equals to 3x, right? So that's a good application of equivalent algebraic expressions. I should say these are non-equivalent polynomials which have 2 points of intersection. This is a problem which I've seen in the test, so you should consider this seriously for preparation. I hope that helps. You can subscribe to my videos and learn a lot about functions. Thank you and all the best.